Welcome to the lesson, multi-digit subtraction. In this lesson, you will learn about steps to do multi-digit subtraction. It's similar to multi-digit addition, like we learned last video. But there is few important differences. The main difference is there, subtraction. The order of a problem matters. With addition you can switch your numbers you are adding, and still getting a same answer. 4 plus 3 equals 7 and 1 plus 6 equals 7. But with subtraction, if we have the problem, 4 minus 3 equals 1, we cannot switch a problem around. You won't get same answer. You try to do 3 to 4 instead. In fact you will get confused, because you trying to subtract bigger number from smaller one. With multi-digit subtraction, it is important to remember order matter, especially you are rewriting a problem. If you became a problem like this, 48 minus 35, we have to stack up, we did like in addition. But you have make sure that the first number, the one taking from, goes on top, and the number taking away is at bottom. Another hint, that the bigger number should always on top. Let's go ahead, and try this problem. We got 48 on top, and 35 below it, and one's places are lined up, just like should be. Now we draw a line, so that answer can go below it. And we write minus sign over here on left, to show we are subtracting. Now we can start getting our answer. Just like with addition, we always start with the ones place column. Here we subtract bottom number from top. 8 minus 5 equals 3, so 3 goes to the ones place as our answer. And we move next place column to left, tens place. There we have 4 minus 3 equals 1. There. We just subtracted 35 from 48 to find out the difference is 13. Let's see another example. 155 minus 47. Aha, this is multi-digit subtraction is little tricky. Let's rewrite a problem, 155 on top and 47 below it, with ones place lined up neatly, and answer line and subtraction sign in place. There, now we can start subtracting. Oh, look at this, in ones place, the digit is on top is smaller than the digit from bottom. How can we subtract bigger digit from smaller one? Did we make some kind of mistake? No, problem is correctly and bigger number is on top. Sometimes this just happens. Top digit might be smaller than bottom digit. So you can subtract it, unless you borrow. Here borrowing works, top digit is 5, but the digit below wants to take 7 only. Sorry, I don't have 7, I have only 5, what about your neighbor? He is a bigger number place, he is owned it. So you borrow from him. Excuse me, I have a little problem. Do you have something like it, so I can borrow? Of course, here we go. Great, there one more help, but if we add 1 plus 5 equals 6, but fortunately, 1 came from next number place, really represent a 10, and we add 10 plus 5 equals 15, which is big enough. Now, instead of this column being 5 minus 7 is 15 minus 7. And 15 minus 7 equals 8. Okay, we got first digit for our answer. Now we move on to the next column. Remember we borrowed that number place, that used to be 5, but now, it's a 4. It went by 1, because we borrowed from it. Well, remember we really borrowed 10, because it was in next number place. But it's sometime it is easy to just think, if it is borrowing 1.